What's up, YouTube? It's your guy, Be More Bread. I just want to give a shout out to Viking Bags as they sponsored this video. All right, let's get to it. What's going on, guys? You can see, big box. It is a package from Viking Bags. Good folks over at Viking Bags were good, nice enough to, reach out. They told me they were working on some stuff for the Lowrider S. They had a new set of hard bags that were quick detach, and they wanted to know if I was interested in a set. Said, man, send it over. We'll get these things installed. I'll let y'all know what I think. First impressions and all that. But first, let's get this box open. All right, box is open. Right off the bat, I want to say packaging is top notch. They are nicely wrapped, so the bags won't be damaged. And shipping, keys are in the envelope. They are, what do you call this? I guess not saran wrap, but bubble wrap. There you go. They're nice, tight bubble wrap. Looks like they don't mess around in shipping. Each bag has its own little compartment. Let's get this going and get these out of here. One bag out of the bubble wrap, and I must say they don't mess around with packaging. It's nice. It's like a microfiber bag, and then hard bags in here. And go ahead and get it out. See what we got. All right, one bag out of there. Finish looks real nice on these. Are a little dirty from my hands, just like fingerprints and stuff like that, but overall it looks like no damage, none of that. Bag looks in real nice bag. Right off the bat, this is their new quick detach hardware that they are doing now for the Lowrider S. That was something that they wanted me to look at and review. And this bag has a cutout for your turn signals on your Lowrider S model. That way you don't have to adjust your turn signals. For me, honestly, I don't need the cutout because I've eliminated my turn signals and I've gone with the integrated tail light. So didn't need the cutout, but neither here nor there. Appreciate the guys sending the bags out. But for those of you that are interested in these bags and you do have your turn signals on still, good thing you don't have to relocate your turn signals. Bags go right on. And like I said, this is their new quick detach hardware. Let's keep going, see what else inside of the bag. Real nice liner. So I guess you're able to take the liner off. Yep, you're able to take the liner off if you want. Got a zipper here. A little pouch. Storage. Yep. But yeah, real nice liner on the lid of the bag as well. Looks like a nice seal. Nice locking mechanism. Over on this side of the bag. That's the quick detach. Let's see if I can focus here. So that would be how you, I'm assuming, pull up to detach. And then there's like a little tab here. If I could zoom in, that little tab there, you pull up on that to lock until I can get it off. So that's nice. So you get 2 keys, so that's nice. And then this is the instructions. It looks like it's fairly simple. That's it. That's the instructions. Bracket right side, back view. And then product care basically just said there may be some smudges from packaging. Clean it with a microfiber cloth. Use warm soap. Water, dry completely. Wax, polish regularly to protect paint. Do not bleach. Paint thinners or abrasive cleaners. Looks like straightforward. Second bag. Looks nice. Let's get it going. So essentially this is everything that it comes with. Hardware, spacers. And these were on the bag. A little mountain brackets, but I don't know what the hell this is. Let me do some investigation and get right back. All right, so according to the site, this is a fitment gauge. So essentially what you do, you put this on the bolts of your bike on the strut, on the fender strut, and just align it to this here, just to say, well, on the bag, just to make sure they're in the right place, and that's all that is. See how fast we can get them on the bike. And my bike is filthy right now, so I know. But yeah, I already swapped out the front and back. It took me like every bit of 2 minutes, and that's exaggerating a bit. So quick swap. They're in. Let's see how the bags line up. Hardware on. Like I said, 2 minutes. What I will say is use their hardware. It's countersunk. So try to get away with using my bolts, my strut bolts, but now use your hardware. Countersunk, much cleaner. Just like that, the bag is on, and it's clean mountain hardware. Just latch that down. And that's it. Got a little cover there so your latch don't come loose. And that's the bag right there. See, oh, that's clean. That's real clean. I like that a lot. All right, guys, the bags are on. Just wanted you to check out the whole profile of the bike real quick. They are clean looking bags. Probably one of the best quick detach systems that I've ever experienced on any bags. But let me run them through. There you go. Nice lever. That's about it on this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.